क्रिसुमी इन सेक्टर 36A इस प्रोजेक्ट पर ऑलरेडी काफ़ी वीडियोस बन चुकी हैं और जो डिटेल्ड वीडियो हैं दे आर 2 वीडियोस जो प्रोजेक्ट अंडर कंस्ट्रक्शन स्टेज पर भी बनी थी और जब प्रोजेक्ट रेडी टू मूव हुआ तो उसकी लोकेशन को समझाने के लिए आसपास कौन कौन से स्कूल्स हैं, हॉस्पिटल हैं, कौन कौन से कॉर्पोरेट्स हैं, साइबर सिटी, एयरपोर्ट और आने वाली जो डेवलपमेंट है उस पर भी डिटेल्ड वीडियो एक बनाई गई है जो आप इस वीडियो के एंड में देखेंगे।
ये हम जा रहे हैं CPR पर फ्रॉम न्यू गुड़गांव। अब आप लेफ्ट साइड देखिए, ये है द्वारका एक्सप्रेसवे का स्टार्ट पॉइंट और सामने आप देख रहे हैं CPR और अगर आगे आप बढ़ेंगे थोड़ा और तो आप पहुंच जाएंगे लेफ्ट साइड में NH48 या NH8 और अगर स्ट्रेट जाएंगे तो आप होंगे SPR रोड पर जो कि डायरेक्टली कनेक्टेड है गोल्फ कोर्स एक्सटेंशन रोड से वाटिका चौक के थ्रू।
अब बात कर लेते हैं इस लोकेशन के बारे में। तो आप ये सामने जो देख रहे हैं दिस इज देयर क्लब हाउस एंड देयर टावर्स। तो ये फर्स्ट फेज एंड सेकंड फेज, दिस इज दी लोकेशन। इस सेक्टर का नाम है 36A, सेक्टर 36A ऑफ गुरुग्राम। अब ये सेक्टर है बिल्कुल सेंट्रली लोकेटेड। कैसे? आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन इट नाउ। तो दिस इज क्रिसुमी सेक्टर 36A और ये जो आप सामने देख रहे हैं दिस इज दी CPR, सेंट्रल पेरिफेरल रोड। तो आप यहाँ से अगर स्ट्रेट जाते हैं, अगर आप यहाँ पर सिर्फ 1 मिनट के लिए ड्राइव करते हैं तो स्ट्रेट जाते हैं तो न्यू गुड़गांव का इनिशियल पॉइंट आ जाता है। लेकिन आप स्ट्रेट जाने के बजाय अगर राइट साइड लेते हैं, वो फ्लाईओवर जो आपको दिखाई दे रहा है दैट इज द स्टार्ट ऑफ द्वारका एक्सप्रेसवे, जहाँ से आप पहुँच जाएंगे दिल्ली गुड़गांव बॉर्डर द्वारका एक्सप्रेसवे। सो ये एक CPR, एक सेंट्रली प्लेस लोकेशन है। अब बात कर लेते हैं इसी सेक्टर 36A से NH48 के बारे में। तो मेरे लेफ्ट साइड जो आप देख रहे हैं यहाँ पर है NH48। तो यहाँ से आपको सिर्फ 40 सेकेंड ड्राइव करना है और आप होंगे NH48 पर। तो यस, दैट्स व्हाई वी आर कॉलिंग इट CPR, सेंट्रल पेरिफेरल रोड, जिससे सारी लोकेशंस कनेक्टेड है। अगर आप इसी रोड को लेते हैं स्ट्रेट देन दैट इज प्योरली फ्लाईओवर विच इज कनेक्टिंग द कंप्लीट गुड़गांव with New Gurugram, Dwarka Expressway, NH48, SPR and Golf Course Extension Road। तो अगर आप इस रोड को लेते हैं स्ट्रेट थ्रू क्लोवरली फ्लाईओवर, आप पहुंचेंगे SPR पर। तो SPR पर इस सेक्टर 36A से आपको जाने में टाइम लगेगा सिर्फ 1 मिनट का। और SPR डायरेक्टली कनेक्टेड है वाटिका चौक के थ्रू गोल्फ कोर्स एक्सटेंशन रोड से, देन फर्दर टू गोल्फ कोर्स रोड एंड इवन फरीदाबाद ऑल्सो। तो ये है पूरी कनेक्टिविटी। एंड दिस सेक्टर 36A के बारे में मैं और बात करूं तो यही एक ऐसी लोकेशन है, यहाँ पर आने वाला है ISBT टर्मिनल और यहीं पर है अपकमिंग ग्लोबल सिटी ऑफ अप्रॉक्स 1000 एकर्स। तो ये एक लोकेशन है जो कि सेंट्रली लोकेटेड है। इट इज कनेक्टेड टू कंप्लीट गुड़गांव, इवन दिल्ली थ्रू दिस द्वारका एक्सप्रेस।
For rental purpose we are here to help you, assist you, to show you the entire project। अब अगर मैं इस प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में बात करूँ तो यहाँ पर क्रिसुमी कॉर्पोरेशन का सेक्टर 36A में जो कि एक सेंट्रल लोकेशन है, यहाँ से SPR रोड, गोल्फ कोर्स एक्सटेंशन रोड, वाटिका चौक, न्यू गुड़गांव, द्वारका एक्सप्रेस वे सब हेयर एंड देयर है। बिल्कुल 3 से 4 मिनट की ड्राइव, मैं कहूँगी 1 मिनट की ड्राइव NH8 पे पहुँच जाएंगे। सब आपके आसपास मिलेगा। तो ये एक वेल डेवलप्ड लोकेशन है। ऑल द स्कूल्स, प्रीमियम हॉस्पिटल्स, एवरीथिंग इज हेयर एंड देयर। एंड फॉर डिटेल्स आप इस वीडियो के एंड में जो वीडियो वो चेक कर सकते हो। अब यहाँ पर अगर साइज़ की बात करूँ तो मिनिमम जो साइज़ है अप्रॉक्स 1448 स्क्वायर फीट से शुरू होता है एंड द लास्ट साइज हेयर इज अप्रॉक्स 4497 square feet. If I talk about the land area with Krisumi Corporation here, then this is approx 33 to 34 acres and 33 से 34 एकड़ में से अप्रॉक्स 5.45 एकड़ को एलोकेट किया गया है क्रिसुमी कॉर्पोरेशन के फर्स्ट फेज के लिए जो ऑलरेडी रेडी टू मूव। Krishna Group started in 1990 and since then they have been a big player in automobile component manufacturing. And if I talk about Sumitomo Group, which started in 1600 and they have enriched experience of multiple business lines. Then Krishna Group has entered into a joint venture with Sumitomo. And if I talk about Sumitomo company, this is Japan based company and they have already delivered 1600 projects across the globe. So the vast experience of Krishna Group and Sumitomo, that's why we are calling this joint venture Krisumi, and the project which is based on water bodies theme and waterfall theme. Then
That's why we are calling the project Krisumi Waterfall Residences. We are standing in front of the sample apartment of Krisumi Waterfall Residences, and this sample apartment is with a super area of 25-28 square feet. And if I talk about the exact carpet, 1326 square feet, and if I include the balcony, then the area comes around 1916 square feet. And this is 3 LDK living dining kitchen, 3 LDK plus ST. So ST is meant for the extra space. So this ST you can get it converted in extra room, study area or servant area, or at last storeroom. They have 30 different types of apartments, so which you can choose as per your requirement or choice. Now it's time to start this beautiful simple apartment. This is the main entrance, and if I talk about this door, this is fire resistant door, and it can hold the fire for up to 2 hours. This is the foyer area to protect your privacy and give a extra space in your apartment. Before looking at the living area, let me share one thing. This is the complete interior designing, which is not going to come with your apartment. Yes, certainly you can choose it and get it designed accordingly. This entire thing is part of interior designing. You are going to get white painted walls. Now let's go inside. Please come. Look at this beautiful living area now. Look at the size and this dining area. This is complete interior designing part. So your actual area will increase if you remove this wooden paneling. So on my left side, this is the living area space. On my right side, this is the dining area space. Now look at this beautiful kitchen in front of this dining area. This kitchen is open kitchen, but certainly they are giving the choice of having one closed kitchen also. So if it is going to be a closed kitchen, then the main entrance of this kitchen is going to be from here. Now let's look at this beautiful kitchen before moving to the first room. Please come. Now one more point about Krisumi Waterfall Residence. Here you can opt for fully furnished apartments also. So in this fully furnished apartments, even cutlery is going to be part of your kitchen. In these fully furnished apartments, you just need to bring your clothes or your bag. That's it. Otherwise, those are going to be fully done up unit with each and everything in your kitchen or apartment. Then all this modular kitchen and dishwasher, washing machine, refrigerator, everything is going to be part of your kitchen. In this modular kitchen, all these storages are going to be part of your kitchen, and these are the spaces which have been given to showcase the exact devices. Like for refrigerator, the space will be there. For dishwasher, a particular space is there, like that. Now it's time to move to the utility balcony. Through this utility balcony, the servant is going to come inside your apartment. Now it's time to look at your first bedroom. If you want to have one family lounge, then the look will be like this, well connected to this spacious balcony. This first bedroom is not going to come with a washroom. Look at the space here. Now it's time to move to the second bedroom. Before that, look at this beautiful area which you can decorate with your family pictures, beautiful paintings. Now on my left side, this is the space which you can get designed as per your preference. Please come. Now this is the space which you can modify as per your choice. If you are going for the 3 BHK plus servant option, then this complete area will get converted as servant room with one washroom. If you are opting for a study room, then this area is going to stay like this. And if you want it to be storeroom, then this area is going to be enclosed. Again, the whole interior work is done here. This wooden paneling is taking a lot of space here. So you will get extra space if we exclude this interior designing. So this complete area is going to be your study room, servant room or storeroom. Now it's time to move to the
second bedroom. This is the complete size of your second bedroom, and the family lounge is also of a same size, where you are seeing little less space because of a wooden paneling work. This is the complete size. And if you look at the flooring, in all the bedrooms you are going to see laminated wooden flooring, and in other part of the house this is going to be engineering wood, which is going to come with 5 years warranty. This bedroom is also connected with this spacious balcony, and because of these glass walls you are always going to get natural sunlight, beautiful outer view and fresh air. This is the attached washroom on my left side. If you are going for the fully furnished apartments, then vanity, glass partition, everything is going to come with your washroom. But if you are going for the fully finished apartment, then glass partition and this vanity is not going to be part of your washroom. This is the space which has been provided for your wardrobe. Now on my left side, this is the washroom which you can use as powder room or for your first bedroom. Look at the washroom area. And finally on my back side, this is the master bedroom. Look at the length of this master bedroom and the complete size of this room. This beautiful balcony is connected with your master bedroom also. This is the attached washroom with your master bedroom. It's time to look at their most beautiful open area part. Look at the complete size, 56 feet long, spacious balcony with beautiful glass railing. Look at the size now, width of this balcony, which is connected with master bedroom, then second bedroom, then third bedroom or family lounge, and at last your living area. So there are 3 towers constructed like this in a straight line so that your privacy is always protected. Let's go inside again. So that your privacy is always protected. Let's go inside again. Their both phases are Rera approved, completely sold out as on date. But still, if you are looking for any apartment, studio apartment or 1 LTK, then my number is there on your screen. This project is going to come with My One construction. Both the phases of Krisumi are going to come with a 5 years warranty on apartment flooring, electrical fitting, washroom fitting and external paint. This was the beautiful simple apartment of Krisumi Waterfall Residences. And it's time to share a quick look of their beautiful simple apartment again. Now we are going to look at the model of Krisumi Waterfall Residences, which is their first phase, and you can expect the position of this first phase by first half of 2024. There are 3 towers, A tower, B tower and this is the C tower. Tower A is with a tower height of G plus 24, then G plus 27 and G plus 34. The total number of units in this first phase is 433 units. It's time to understand the complete model. This is the main entrance of this first phase, and the ground floor of all these 3 towers is internally connected and has been used for the clubhouse. This is the Zen garden on the top of the clubhouse. This is the entrance lobby for both the Tower A and Tower B, and this entrance lobby is for Tower C, which there is no tower to tower facing. The complete construction of these 2 phases and their upcoming phases is getting done by Tata Projects. You can rely on the construction quality. The complete construction is going to be My One construction and coming with 5 years warranty. And the landscaping of all Krisumi projects is done by Nikin Seki from Japan. Krisumi Waterfall Residences कि ये एक्चुअल वीडियो फुटेज हैं। तो आप इस प्रोजेक्ट की ब्यूटीफुल लैंडस्केपिंग, वाटर बॉडीज की कुछ ग्लिम्स इस वीडियो में देख सकते हो। इसके अलावा वी आर ऑलवेज देयर टू असिस्ट यू। अगर आप रेंटल के लिए भी देख रहे हो तो इस प्रोजेक्ट को विजिट कराने के लिए वी आर देयर। एंड इफ़ यू वांट टू बाय और सेल देन you can connect with us. So this is a overview of the actual look of the project as on date. This is not a normal luxury. This is from Japanese, and the company itself, Krisumi, is a joint venture of Sumitomo and Krishna Automobile. So this is directly from Japan. So if you are fond of Japanese luxury, then Krisumi is the only project across Gurugram which is directly coming from there with the joint venture of Krishna Group. सो ये एक रो फुटेज आप देख रहे हो, क्योंकि मोस्टली जितने भी अपार्टमेंट्स हैं वहाँ पर अभी काम चल रहा है. So all the apartments are in raw stage because of some interior work is going on. The project's
and
OC
other
has
finished
already
work
been
is going
received
on.
and the possession is in progress right now. So few owners have already taken the handover possession of their apartment, and like some of the owners or the unit holders are in process of taking the handover. सो यहाँ पर जैसे ही आप आएंगे फॉर रेंटल पर्पस, फॉर बाइंग पर्पस, आपको मोस्टली जो यूनिट्स हैं दे आर अंडर द वे ऑफ गेटिंग द इंटीरियर वर्क so that these units can be rented out, or the owners whosoever bought it for the self use can shift in. This is the outer CPR view. There are so many designs, so many layouts in Krisumi waterfall residences. तो यहाँ पर हर साइज के साथ अलग डिज़ाइन मिल जाएगा. यहाँ 2 फिनिशेस हैं, एक बेस आप ऑप्ट कर सकते हो या फिर ग्रे कर सकते हो. तो क्रिसुमी को काफ़ी सारे वीडियोस के थ्रू कवर किया गया है बिकॉज क्रिसुमी वाटरफॉल रेजिडेंसीज वाज देयर फर्स्ट फेज. इसके बाद भी दे हैव गॉट देयर till date 4 phases have already come, and again they are preparing for the 5th phase also in this same location, and every phase has got its own clubhouse. So this is their first phase which is ready to move now, you can see, and we are here to assist you with your rental queries. If I talk about the rental as on date, then you can expect it to be somewhere around starting from approx 80,000 rupees. Rest, we are there for having a discussion with you if you're looking for the rental and with the owner also. And if you want to buy one apartment here at Krisumi Waterfall Residences for self-use or for the investment purpose, the price here starts from approx 2.75 CR as on date. And if you are the real estate consultant and looking for rental or the buying one apartment for any of your client, then again we are here to assist you. And now this is the video from Krisumi Corporation about Krisumi Waterfall Residences which is ready to move now. और इस वीडियो के थ्रू आप पूरे प्रोजेक्ट का लुक देख सकते हो कि पूरा प्रोजेक्ट कैसा बना हुआ है और क्या क्या आप यहाँ पर एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हो. Krisumi Corporation's first phase, Krisumi Waterfall Residences, is ready to move. And this is not a normal luxury with clubhouse. This is a Japanese theme based luxury which stands out across our Premium Gurugram city also, because this is the one project which is coming directly from the Japanese. So Sumitomo is the Japan based company, and this is their only project till date, and this is going to be their first phase or the first project which is the ready to move across our Premium Gurugram city. So here in terms of the finish also, you are going to see two options. So if you want to go for the gray finish, then you should go for the even number of apartment, and if you want to go for the base finish, then you should go for the odd number of apartment. And you can certainly connect with us for buying, selling, or for rental purpose at Krisumi's first phase, Krisumi Waterfall Residences, and we are here to assist you to give you the complete look of the project, the nearby surrounding areas, and including making you understand the location and its importance.